So hi, I am Cadet Atos Tantabalan. I will show you how to use VHF during distress, urgent, and safety communication.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Santa Giugela, MSSI 342-116-323. Call sign, Alpha Bravo Delta Charlie. Position, 55 degrees, 10 decimal, 5 minutes north. 006 degrees, 33 minutes east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 20 people on board, including 2 casualties we have launched. 5 lifeboats. 1 lifeboat has 4 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan 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 pan. All station, all station. This is 342-116-323. Roro vessel front here. Call sign, Alpha Bravo Delta Charlie. Position, 55 degrees, 10 decimal, 5 minutes north. 006 degrees, 33 minutes east. I have problem with the engine. I required tag assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All ships, all ships, all ships. In area Isla Verde, this is 342-116-323. Roro vessel frontier. Call sign, Alpha Bravo Delta Charlie. Dangerous wreck located in position 2 nautical miles south of Elf Reef. Over.